The non-fungible token market has grown into a major sector for the crypto industry over 2021, with the total amount spending on purchasing NFTs surpassing $12.6 billion, up from $162.4 million at the start of 2021. That is to say that NFTs are here for real and interest in them is not going away. 2022 has seen some people making a lot of money buying and selling NFTs. As a matter of fact, the number of high-ticket sales this year has no doubt driven the surge of interest in the NFT market. But with that growth comes new ways to earn without simply trading in the market. That's right, we're talking about passive income. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Metaverse Economy channel. In this video, we're going to explore the basic ways to make passive income using NFTs. That means no timing the market nor any of the other things that one has to keep a constant eye on when trying to make money through trading NFTs. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to catch more videos like this. Let's start off with a refresher on NFTs for those who are new and move on to how passive income from NFTs works. How do NFTs work? An NFT, or non-fungible token, is a unique and one-of-a-kind way to own digital assets like art, music, literature, or even tweets. What makes NFTs valuable is their irreplaceable nature. For example, you can trade one Bitcoin for another and you'll get the exact same thing, a Bitcoin. You can't trade one NFT for another and get the same NFT. They'll be different. Most popular NFTs like the Bored Ape Yacht Club collection are a part of the Ethereum blockchain. As a result, ETH, which is a token native to Ethereum, is used for payment and fees. Furthermore, NFTs are assets, which means they have a value that can rise or fall based on some parameters, which is what another person is willing to pay for it, a piece of art or a footballer's value. NFT trade is thus a popular way to turn a profit. In fact, certain NFTs have sold for as high as $69.3 million. That said, NFT trade is costly because of the significantly high gas fees that Ethereum charges. That's why many DeFi platforms offer multiple ways to earn passive income from NFTs with paradigms like renting, staking, and more. Now that you know about NFTs and how they work, here are 3 ways to earn a passive income from NFTs. 1. NFT staking. NFT staking or farming involves locking up your rare assets on a blockchain protocol or smart contract to yield interest. Generally, staking is one of the many ways to earn passive income in the crypto space, considered safe, highly rewarding, and low investment risk. The downside of staking a token is that you cannot use it for a period of time. The upside is that the APRs are generally way higher than what you would get from any bank savings account. So, even though you can't sell your NFTs until that staking period is over, you're getting a relatively high return on it in the meanwhile. Blockchains that use the proof-of-stake POS mechanism to process transactions require that validators stake their cryptocurrencies to confirm blocks of transactions. In addition, the duration and yield for staking are usually predetermined before the crypto assets are locked to a network, keeping them out of circulation for a given period of time. When you stake an NFT, the staking platform will determine the worth of the asset and establish the annual percentage rate, APR, that will be earned. The NFT value will depend on factors such as rarity level and ability to generate a continuous stream of income, such as royalties and more investors. In other words, the staking platform has an inbuilt system that will assess your NFT, determine its worth, and assign a yield value based on different time duration. These platforms are usually decentralized and supposedly offer a high level of security for your assets until you are ready to unlock them. Many popular NFT arts and NFT game assets are stackable and can gain up to 100% annual percentage yield (APY). There are a few platforms that handle NFT staking. Some of these popular platforms that allow for stacking include NFTX, OneZeus, Only One, Kyra, and Splinterlands. 2. Rent out NFTs. One of the latest NFT passive income trends is renting out NFTs to gamers. There are now multiple games where players can rent NFTs, which enhances their gaming experience. These NFTs can include weapons that help players defeat powerful enemies, tools that help them scale a mountain or build a house, or skins to make players' characters look so cool. The great thing about this strategy is that the transaction is all automated via smart contracts. You simply enter the duration you want to rent your NFT and the cost, and the blockchain will automatically find you a renter, making it a great passive income for beginners. Gaming experts are predicting that soon major games will feature NFTs, and renting or purchasing them will be essential if you want to enjoy a game fully. As NFTs continue to rise in price, many gamers cannot afford to own one. This is where you can earn a huge yield by renting them out. In this scenario, everyone wins, as the gamer gets to enjoy their game fully and you get to earn a completely passive income from your NFT. The downside to this strategy is that if your NFT can only be used in one game, and when that game loses popularity, there may be no one willing to rent your NFT. This is why you need to buy NFTs with multiple use cases, and that are so famous that numerous developers will want to feature them in their game. 3. NFT royalties. An incredible way to earn a passive income is with NFT royalties. NFT royalties work similarly to royalties of other creative assets such as music, films, and art. Every time someone uses your NFT or sells your NFT, they have to pay you a percentage. The awesome thing is that these royalties are built into a smart contract, so every time a transaction gets executed on the blockchain, you will receive your royalty automatically. The most common form of NFT royalty is a percentage charge every time an NFT is sold. The most common royalty is between 5% and 10%. For example, if your NFT is sold for $5,000 and you have a 10% royalty, you will receive $500. Every time your NFT is sold, you will continue to receive royalty payments, and these passive income payments will continue to rise as the asset appreciates. That's just about the best ways to earn a passive income trading NFTs. If you pull out your passive income calculator, you can quickly see that the returns you can receive on NFTs are much higher than traditional passive returns from equities or real estate. As more and more people learn about NFTs, there will be more opportunities to make passive income from them, not only in the ways we've explored in this guide, but also in ways that will come into play in the near future. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.